जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता फर्स्ट चैप्टर अर्जुन विषाद योगम 42nd श्लोका. Arjuna is saying to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, "Oh Krishna, if I do kill all these people and all kind of traditions which are coming in those families will be completely vanished, and there comes so many manipulations. While observing that manipulated traditions, whatever the families are offering Pitrudevata, Tarpanas to Pitrudevatas, those activities also will not reap any benefits. That means Pitrudevatas will not be receiving any kind of Tarpanas. With that, all the Pitrudevatas also will be suffering. So, if we fight this battle, all these are the bad consequences, Krishna." Like this, Arjuna is saying to Krishna, while having this meaning running in our thoughts, while visualizing that we are sitting in front of Sri Krishna Paramatma, at the feet of Krishna Paramatma, and Krishna Paramatma doing his Gitopadesam to us, let us now chant the sloka. Sankaro Narakayaiva Kulagnanam Kulasyacha Patanti Pitaro Hyesham Lupta Pinda Udakakriyaha. Om. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: do not ignore the traditions which are coming in your families, and do not ignore the tarpanas, all the activities related to Pitrudevatas. Keep doing them very well according to the scripture. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma from 18th chapter through 65th and 69th sloka, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me. Keep inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep on transforming all your actions as service to me. Keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep always thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry anymore. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from my Bhagavad Gita. Keep spreading my Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "O Srimannarayana, I shall never ignore all the traditions which are coming in my families. I shall never ignore all the Pitrudevatas and the activities related to Pitrudevatas. I shall keep observing all those activities. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep thinking about you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on transforming all my actions as service to you, and I shall keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Srimannarayana, I shall always will be thinking that I am your belonging. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Srimannarayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava." श्रीमद्भागवतम. नमस्कारं टू श्रीमद्भागवतम. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Suta Maharshi is telling Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, oh Maharshis, Bhishma Pitamaha praising Sri Krishna Paramatma. Bhishma Pitamaha saying that, oh Krishna, in that battlefield, in that Kurukshetra battlefield, when Arjuna asked you to station his chariot in between both armies, sapadi sakhivacho nisamya madhye, you have followed your friends Arjuna's words as it is, and you stationed that chariot in between, right in between both armies. Such Sri Krishna Paramatma, the one who has followed his friend's words. Oh Krishna, such Krishna Paramatma should be in my thought all the time. Oh Krishna, and also when you stationed the chariot in between both armies, and then you have seen the entire Kaurava Sainyam, Kaurava army, the vision that you have shown, the vision that you have conferred on that entire Kaurava army, with that kind of looks, entire army, all the people lost their life. Hrutavati, you have stolen, you have removed all their long life just by your looks. Hey Pardasakhe, oh Krishna, the one who has done that Krishna Paramatma should be in my thought. Ratir mamastu, I should be thinking about that Krishna Paramatma who has done, who has killed all the enemies just by his looks. Oh Krishna, and also in that same battlefield, Kurukshetra battlefield, when Arjuna has seen entire Kaurava army, he got started relating everyone, and he is not finding any enemy over there. He is finding everyone is his relation, his friends, his fathers. Like that, he started showing his compassion towards each and everyone, and he felt that he cannot fight with anyone anymore, and he got depressed, he got confused, a wave of anxiety also came into his thoughts. At that time, oh Krishna, you are the one in that battlefield under the hot sun, because your friend Arjuna is getting depressed, because your friend Arjuna is getting confused, you have brought the entire essence of all the Vedas and put together and gave him Gita Amrutam. That Krishna Paramatma, Charanaratihi Paramasya, Tasya me astu. Oh Krishna, such Supreme Krishna Paramatma should be there in my thought all the time, the one who gave Gitopadesam to the entire humanity just by taking an excuse of Arjuna. Oh Krishna, you should be in my thought all the time. And also Krishna, in that same battlefield, in that same Kurukshetra battlefield, when I started shooting my arrows, powerful arrows to you, those arrows came and attacked you. Those arrows came and peeled out all your gods and everything, proofs and everything. Those arrows got into your body. Those arrows made you shed the blood all over the body. Those arrows made you just bleed the blood from all over your body. Oh Krishna, at that time you got so angry. But you know what? what, Krishna? Just before starting that battlefield, you gave a word to the entire world that I am not going to carry any weapon in the Kurukshetra Ranarangam. I am not going to do any kind of fight with any weapon. You said that. You promised that. You sweared upon the entire universe. But what I did, the moment you did that, what I said, Krishna, I am going to have you. I am going to make you catch, make you carry weapon, make you hold the weapon. I am going to make you fight with the weapon. That is what I did, my pratignya. But now what you did, Krishna, when I was shooting my arrows to you, in order to have your Bhakta, your Bhishma Pitamaha's word come true, you have carried, you have taken your Chakrayudham. Oh Krishna, you are so compassionate. At that time also you were showing all your compassion, as and how a father tries to keep his son's word stable and comes true. So also you are the one who made your Bhakta's word is come true. To that extent, you have shown your compassion. Such compassionate Sri Krishna Paramatma should be there in my thoughts. Like that, Bhishma Pitamaha is praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, 42nd sloka. Sankaro narakayaiva kulagnanam kulasya cha patanti pitaro hyesham lupta pinda udakakriyaha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.